In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive an email in Gmail. If you've accidentally archived an email and you're not quite sure how to retrieve it, don't worry, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and unarchive any email you've mistakenly archived in Gmail. First, let's go ahead and open your favorite web browser and navigate to Gmail's website by entering the URL gmail.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you should see your inbox displayed on the homepage. If needed, take a moment to ensure you're on the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Now, to find archived emails, we're going to use the search functionality. At the top of the Gmail interface, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type in any keyword related to the email you wish to unarchive. If you remember who the email was from, or a specific phrase in the subject line, try using that information in your search. If you're having trouble finding the email with the search bar, another way is to directly access the All Mail folder. You can find this option in the list on the left side of your screen. Hover over the list and scroll down until you find More. Click on it to expand your options. From there, you'll see All Mail. Click on All Mail, which will display every email you have, including those in your inbox, sent, and archived. Once you've located the email you'd like to unarchive in either your search results or in All Mail, click on it to open it. When the email is open, look at the top of the email interface. You'll notice several icons lined up. The one that interests us here is the Move to Inbox button. It typically looks like a little folder with an arrow on it. Hover over the icons, and when you find Move to Inbox, go ahead and click that button. After you click Move to Inbox, your selected email is unarchived and will now reappear in your inbox. This functionality allows you to manage your emails efficiently, ensuring that important communications aren't lost in the archive. It's really that simple. Remember, archiving is a great way to keep your inbox clutter-free without deleting important emails. But if ever you feel an archived email should be more accessible, this process of moving it back to the inbox is quick and simple. Thanks for following along with this guide to unarchiving emails in Gmail. Give it a try next time you need to reorganize your emails. Happy emailing!